gutter or brick?
Stella, what is it?
Stella! Laugh and learn! Oh boy!
Do you have one?
So exciting. Is it a duck?
Try me, what do you do?
I think it's a bunny.
I haven't even seen that.
It was exclusively at Kohl's.
Oh.
Really,
Why? Look at the toys at Kohl's usually. I haven't seen that.
Thing's kind of creepy looking, actually.
Oh, it was
I'm
Fisher
glad you
Price?
didn't see it.
Get
'cause I'm
down.
like, this is so cute. I hope they don't have it. But I'm
What to do, Stella? Oh, no. Oh, it's so exciting.
Oh, we need a knife or a
Of
scissors or
course we
somewhere.
do.
Stella. Stella, are you happy?
Piece of
What
paper
is that?
cool.
Oh, I just liked opening it.
Look at Crystal.
Hold on.
I think she's gonna do her little arms again.
Oh, it's so exciting, Stella. Is it a bunny?
You just look so happy.
Is it a bunny?
Wait a minute.
That's what I kept telling me at Kohl's. This is fun. I'm like,
This is fun.
This is fun. I'm hanging upside down.
see, it's not as scary.
No. Oh, Stella. Do you love him?
Turn around.
She's like, stop touching him. He's mine.
Stella.
Stella,
Later.
Stella, turn around.
I got what I wanted. Get away from me.
This is fun.
I'm taking my bunny and leaving.
Is he dancing? Oh, he's got a lot of wire here. There.
Stella,
There's something else in there.
Is he your
Give him a
friend? There's another. Oh, you got to pull out the
give him a kiss.
out of his back. It should just pull right out.
Stella, give it a kiss. Kiss.
Give him a hug.
Oh, I love the bunny.
So.
Now choke that bunny out.
This is fun.
That's gonna get really annoying.
Let me see, Stella. Oh, he's so cute.
Isn't there like a little hook in there too?
Yeah. Whether I don't know what that is.
Yep, come
I
on,
have no
Sonny.
idea. Oh. Okay.
So we'll leave that part in there. Mommy will